We're getting another checkup on the C8 today because they have done so much progress, and I'm sure you guys have seen me post it on my Instagram and reshared it because the pictures were probably the photo we've all been waiting for. I thought I smelled a fat boy. You're handicapped, just park here. That doesn't make you squeeze a fresh nut, and I don't know what does. Are you wearing a shirt to match your car?
Yeah,
that's what I do now. I'm sure you guys have seen this. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely insane. Fat Dut coming to get a twin turbo build from Sheepy.
I wish. Dude, I gotta do a trans in this too if I do that.
I know you guys want to see this, so I'm not gonna beat around the bush. I'm just gonna show it to you.
This is just unreal. So what do you, is there like tuning solution for this?
Yeah, baby. So you guys saw the start of this when we were here with Nick the other day. He finished this that night. So this is pretty much just the exhaust side of everything. The rest of the car still has to be made, but that's like the easier part. This is like the harder part. But just the TIG work on this and the coloring and just the fitment is just probably the nicest work I've ever seen. Like Nick absolutely dominated this. We're out here just like looking at all the twin turbo builds they've done, and I was looking in this Aircon, and oh my gosh, look, it has cup holders. I wonder if I can get that mod on the Aventador. I need a couple of those bad. So originally when I was here last time, I said we were gonna put the heat exchange in that vent right there. That actually the plan has been scrapped, so disregard everything I said. Pretty much come up with now is we're gonna be running 2 dual heat exchangers. And what's rad is you can actually fit this thing right behind the radiator. So we're gonna run dual heat exchangers. You can slip it in there. We might have to modify the size a little bit. You can modify the height, but not the width. So we'll be able to put one here and put one here. See one of these here buckets, boys? This bucket is gonna be the reservoir, the tank that is gonna sit in the frunk. So we're actually gonna lose some of the frunk space, but it only takes up from pretty much like here to here, and it's only about like yay high. And currently there is a banjo fitting being made right here because this is where the scavenge pumps are gonna be getting their oil from. So you're gonna have lines that go straight under here, go right to our turbos. You have the throttle body, and then you go into the intercooler, and then you have both charge pipes running through both these sides. And you can see that the hole has already been made behind the rear tire right there. That hole is where the charge pipe will come from here, wrap up, and there's plenty of clearance to go through. By next week, we're gonna have our intercooler, we'll have our heat exchangers, and the car will be plumbed. And I don't wanna put a timeline on this thing, but we're almost aiming to be on the dyno 5 days from now. But stuff always happens, so if that gets pushed back, it gets pushed back, but that's really exciting news. But the main highlight of today was I just wanted to show off this. This is a little premarital nut. It's not even ready yet, but we're already here doing it.
You have the wastegate dump too right here. That's all pie cuts. Like, that is a lot of fucking work.
Yeah, expertise mode. This is X Games mode right here. I was talking to Alex. He was like, we weren't planning to do a full TIG setup in the rear, but because other people finished it first, he was like, we kind of had to clap back a little bit and kind of make some noise, so they ended up doing that, which they are going to be offering on their kits. And I think they might be offering a stainless steel version too for people who don't want the full stuff and want a little bit cheaper of an option. I think it might be offered, which is pretty rad of them. Oh, the E85, I can smell it. The past like 5 times I've been here, Alex is like, dude, you gotta drive one of my R8s. Like, you gotta drive it, you gotta drive it. This is their like staple twin turbo build on the R8. It's a 1200 horsepower on the E85, but because it's really hot out today, he said he's gonna turn the boost down a little bit, so we'll be making about 1,000 wheel horsepower, which still, is that, I think that's the fastest car I've ever driven. I've driven an Alpha GTR back in the day, but I think this will be the fastest car I've ever driven.
I haven't been in anything over what my GTR has, which is 700 horsepower. So this is gonna feel.
Yeah, I'm actually a little scared, but I'm not trying to let Alex know that. I'm a little nervous, but I'm not trying to show that to Alex at all.
You ready for this, Tej?
I don't know.
rolling anti-lag. We have traction control off.
Maybe traction control should have been left on, but he's like, turn it off. So we're turning it off. 1,000 at least to the wheel. I don't know what it's currently at, but I've never driven a twin turbo like exotic before. I've always been like, I wonder if they're gonna drive differently or drive like crappy or just like, I don't know, big turbos on an exotic. I feel like, not that it's unreliable, but you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
You feel like it would not drive smooth. And every time Alex is like, dude, you would never know that it is twin turboed. and it literally feels completely stock right now, which is kind of cool. Like you don't even notice, which I guess that's what I was told, but still I didn't expect it to
We're
be.
about to find out.
Yeah, I guess. How do you drive this car? Dude, I'm like
Whoa! What was that?
Dude, I was like barely putting my foot on the pedal. Like it was so fast I couldn't even touch the pedals with my foot.
Oh my god, dude. Alright. Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, alright.
Whoa! Yeah, just a little spinny there.
Just a little bit, What the fuck? Dude, I like started to brake in the rear end circle.
I know. Try the anti-lag. What the fuck? What is this? Oh my god.
Dude, what's scary? I'm sorry, hold on.
I'm out of breath.
Hold on. What's scariest isn't the fact that like I'm blind when I accelerate because we're going so fast, but it's trying to slow the fuck down. That's the scary part.
It's so bad.
Oh my god.
I want to show them the tack next time you send it, so let me know.
Dude, I don't even...
Oh. Wow, I'm physically out of breath. It hurts your chest.
Dude,
it does.
Dude, what's scary is the braking.
Yeah. I'm glad that you have that stress. I'm along for the ride. I'm here for whatever happens. I have my life in your hands, Teach.
Dude, my heart.
It hurts your chest.
Dude.
It does.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Alright, let's do a little like, we're in the middle of the street.
Oh yeah, we're in an empty road right here, so just give her a send. Oh my god!
This is up. This is
like the seatbelt is compressing you. It's just like.
Would you just listen to that? Like what? Dude, it just like shifts perfectly. There's power, like even though there's twins, like there's no lag, like there's no boost lag at all. It's like it's completely smooth.
Wow. I think the anti-lag was the part that got me, dude. The anti-lag was just fucking crazy. I want you to.
All right, we'll do it again.
Okay.
Get me out! I don't want to be here anymore!
Oh, send it! Go, go, go!
Justin! Alright, I'm fine.
Wow! Wow! Wow. We need to go take a nap. This is a red light. I know. I have no words.
What the fuck?
I have no words. Are you gonna full send right here?
Well, we have to turn in right here.
Okay. Wow. I'm gonna go grab an extra pair of underwear. Brutal. Fucking brutal.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Holy shit. Holy shit.
That was the most brutal shit I've ever done.
What the fuck? That's only 1,000 wheel. What? I don't want any more. That's too fast. Dude, what's scary? What's scary? Like, isn't how fast like you're going and you can't see, but it's like trying to slow the fuck down we were going that fast. And then the tail's like, ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm going too fast. What do you think? Whoa! What the Holy shit. Oh my god.
10 out of 10.
Dude.
10 out of 10.
It's the crazy, it's just set the bar. Like, I don't even know what, like, I didn't even know that was, like, capable in this world. What? All right,
I'll follow you, teacher.
I'm buying an R8 next. I don't know where I'm going, Dut. Do you know where you're going?
I asked you to get the address.
Oh, I don't have the address. Do you want me to get the,
Stay here.
yeah, we'll just hang out here.
Yeah.
I'll get the address.
Hang it over there. I'll be in here.
Oh, all right, yeah, I'll just hang out in my slow car over here. My heart is still racing after all of that. We are going over to our friend Tanner's house. Oh, Dut, make the light, because he lives right next to Sheepy. And it's really hot out, so if he has extra towels, your boy wants to get in a pair of swim trunks and go for a little dip in the pool. Because it is 87 degrees, and I'm sweating. My balls are sweating, I'm hot. Yo, squad pulls up. Tanner just crashed his Tesla into the back of someone had to drive through. It was pretty epic. I'm about to try this Popeye's chicken sandwich. I've never had it. I've only had Chick-fil-A. Dut's from Mississippi, so he...
Popeyes chicken and waffles.
I'm excited right now. I'm excited to try this. If it's not good...
I've never had this.
Wait, what?
I've had Popeyes. I haven't had the chicken sandwich. It's new.
Mav even said it was pretty good, so...
Louisiana cooking.
Is it really Louisiana? Oh, it's not. I should say Mississippi kitchen.
That's my kitchen.
Solid?
Solid. Go for it.
I'll give the, really quick,
Wow.
a live reaction.
Hey, it's like dripping water on the bottom. Is that the AC?
Yeah.
You're dripping water? Yeah, that's the AC.
Yeah, I think so.
It's more crusty.
We're doing a live review right now, Tanner.
Get it?
Wow. Oh yeah. It's, damn.
The sauce is good.
That's actually really bomb. Woo! Damn, that thing is nasty. Literally right as I was getting ready to go in the pool after my amazing spicy chicken sandwich with, by the way, wow, really good, really underestimated it. Popeye's chicken sandwich is as good as they say it is. I got a call because the security system at the shop got tripped. One of the motion detectors went off, and I'm checking all the cameras we have around the building and inside the building, and everything looks fine. I think something just fell off the shelf and tripped one of the motion detectors. So I'm being responsible, and I'm driving back to the shop right now, which I'm an hour away. So I had to leave unexpectedly, because I need to make sure that nothing happened. I just wanted to go in the pool, dude. This is pretty cool. I just ran into a V12 Aston Martin. You guys getting it with me. That thing is timeless. Woo! Well, I found the issue. The AC was blowing the balloons and the motion sensors picked it up. So the false alarm was a balloon. I mean, it could have been much worse. It's the next day. Last night when we were driving this car, I hit a really big pothole and broke a whole bunch of stuff on the left-hand side of the car. I don't know what my luck has been lately, but I'm fixing it right now. Pretty much what happened is my height sensor bracket got bent, which then like put my height sensor in a weird spot, which then like made the angle in which the rod for the sensor that reads the height got all screwed up. So Kevin and I are actually at the shop just fixing it. This whole bracket got bent. I just hammered it out, made it straight. I'm gonna reinstall it. Hopefully everything is good. I don't think anything else is bent on the car. The alignment like was all like weird, but on air, if you don't have complete perfect heights on all four corners, the car like doesn't drive straight. So I think that's just what it was. But I'm having some rough luck lately, but it's just ironing out all the little kinks with this car, so we're almost there. Dr. Kevin fixed my bracket. I want to address something because there were a lot of comments about it in the video, and I was like, wow, that's a great idea. One of the top comments from a few of you guys was you should take the time and drop that fender off at SOS and have them repaint it in the British Racing Green and do all the carbon work. And I'm going to do that. That is an awesome idea. It's gonna cost a few $100 to get that done, but I think that is 100% worth it, and shout out to you guys for coming up with that. It's gonna be really cool cool idea. I can't wait to do that. It's gonna be sick. A little piece of the GT3 will be here with us still. And that was one of like my favorite body pieces of the whole entire kit. So it's cool that I still have that piece. Remember that fender piece that Kevin broke yesterday?
Yeah, that he bullied me on for like 4 days straight about.
4 days straight, it happened yesterday.
It felt like 4 days.
I'm gonna
Anyways.
fix it right now.
So it's not anything with the kit. It's like whatever you're running with your wheel and your spec and however, whatever, you know, your thickness. There may be some adjustment. Oh, dude, your camera sucks at focusing. Come on, work with me, please. All right, so depending on where, like this piece is here for you to adjust. And if you can clear it, you can clear it. But if you can't, then there's a little bit of trimming that's needed. Obviously, a little more trimming because I kind of bracked it. But either way, you won't be seeing it. Completely fine. And we're gonna fix that. All good. She's good. God, I think you're gonna throw it at me.
Yeah, when I have the wheel off, I can clean that up a little bit, but
You look so dumb with those glasses on.
it looks like bubbles. I love it. Should I trim the other side?
Yeah.
Here at Kevin's paint shop with some cans, just doctored that up. You can't even tell. Looks great. Damn, and for everyone that I gave my wheel specs to, they're gonna need to do that too. But hopefully they figure that out before it's too late. Just gonna paint the inside of that one because I just scrubbed it up, and everything's fixed. So we fixed the bracket. I don't know like what I hit to bend that bad, but that got fixed. Everything in the rear is good. There's no damages here. Not that I know of, anyway. And the Supra's almost back on the road. All right, well, I gotta start the next vlog, so I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. Today's video was a mashup of a couple days and a whole bunch of random stuff. I will be honest, ever since we drove that R8, I've been thinking about doing a V10 twin turbo build. I don't really think about doing it, but like, wow, like I just can't stop thinking about that and how much I wanna keep driving that. Who knows, I don't know, too many thoughts in my head. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and keep moving forward.